In my little world of wonder, where colors dance in my harmony and knowledge flows like a river, there is a place so dear to me, my second home, Floreto World School. Floreto World School is where I'm included in a diverse community that helps me expand my perception of the world.
Floreto is a sanctuary where time slows down, giving me space to explore my passion, discover my strengths, and reflect on what I am becoming. My school is just more than books and lessons. It's a place where dreams take flight and heart find happiness. My second home allows me to explore lots of different things like music, dance, arts, knowledge and sports. Basically, it allows me to explore myself completely.
Floreto World School gives me the flexibility. I need to push myself to the limits while also being with safe limits.
The first thing happened with me when I set my foot on the campus. I fell in love with it. The green bridge stand, beauty, and the entire environment was a place that something struck me. A home away from home. It's a place where we can discover who we are and what we want to be when we grow. It's a journey of self-discovery, guided by caring teachers and supportive friends who believe in us even when we doubt ourselves. All my friends, the staff and the management are super helpful whenever I need them. And it's always great to have a supportive system. It feels like my home, my second home.
Our students should be known as the ones who are empathetic, who are confident, who are risk takers, who are critical thinkers, and the ones that are truly global and truly Indian. Floreto World School, my second home, where every chapter is written with the ink of curiosity and wonder.